ignition.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Intermediate. Main. Lift.
And lift off. Kate Rubin, Sergei Ryzhikov, and Sergei Kuzberchkov now on their way to the International Space Station, the latest in a chain that spans almost 20 years of continuous human presence in space.
10 seconds. The parameters of the rocket are nominal. 20 seconds. The thrusters of the first and second stage are operating nominally.
Hearing first good reports of good first stage performance, everything looking nominal. Soyuz is currently delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine of that first stage. It measures 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter and burns liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds of flight.
50 seconds. The pressure in the chambers is nominal. Everything is good on board. We feel well.
Good reports from the crew as well. Everything looking good with today's flight.
Pitch, yaw, roll nominally.
Roll, pitch, yaw, all normal, meaning the spacecraft is exactly where it's expected to be at this point. Velocity is 1,100 miles per hour. First stage of the Soyuz, less than a minute of flight time left now.
80 seconds. Parameters are nominal. On board, everything is good. We feel well. We feel the G-loads.
First milestone we'll be watching for here is the escape tower jettison, which will come at the 1 minute and 54 second mark, a little less than 10 seconds now.
Jettison.
Escape tower has been jettisoned.
Separation of the side units.
And there's the separation of the 4 strap-on boosters that are jettisoned. These have completed their job and are dropping away now at an altitude of 28 miles above the Earth, while the Soyuz continues on with its flight, traveling at about 3,350 miles an hour, powered by the rocket's second or core stage.
40 seconds. Rocket parameters are nominal.
All still looking good, and the next milestone we're looking for is the jettison of the launch shroud at 2 minutes and 37 seconds. And you see that launch shroud jettisoned. We're now getting some views from the external rocket camera.
Copy you.
Looking towards the bottom of this rocket and at the Earth below, solar arrays waiting to be unfurled once the spacecraft reaches orbit safely. Soyuz traveling at a speed of 4,700 miles an hour at this point.
Steady. On board, everything is good. We feel well.
Continuing to hear good calls from the crew. The core stage performing as expected. The core stage of the Soyuz is 56 feet in length and 13.5 feet in diameter with single engine and 4 fuel chambers providing between 178,000 and 222,000 pounds of thrust at various points of its 3 minutes and 28 seconds of operation.
We are anticipating the next separation. Copy all.
This stage will continue to burn until the 4 minute and 43 second mark. Soyuz uses what's called a hot stage technique, meaning third stage ignites while the second is still burning.
230 seconds. Stabilization of the craft is doing well.
4 minutes into the ascent of Soyuz MS-17 now. Kate Rubin, Sergei Ryzhikov, and Sergei Kuzberchkov on their way to the International Space Station following today's 12:45 a.m. Central launch from the Байконура Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan.
250 seconds. Pitch, yaw, and rotation is nominal.
Everything continuing to go well in the climb to orbit. We'll be looking for a next second stage cutoff coming up at the 4 minute and 45 second mark, about 15 seconds from now.